हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, अगर आप लोग भी IELTS की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं एंड वांट टू नो अबाउट क्यू कार्ड्स फॉर जनवरी 2024 जो कि आपको एग्जाम में हेल्प कर सकता है, तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक जरूर देखें बिकॉज इन दिस वीडियो वी आर गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सम इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यू कार्ड्स दैट कैन बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू। बट उससे पहले हमारे YouTube चैनल को लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन फॉर मोर वीडियोस। तो जानते हैं आप कुछ इम्पॉर्टेंट क्यू कार्ड्स के बारे में जो कि आपसे पूछे जा सकते हैं। Number 1. Describe an exciting activity that you have experienced with someone else. This is the very frequent cue card which can be asked in January speaking test. And here are the bullet points on which you have to answer. What was the activity? Who you were with? When and where it happened? Why you went for it? Explain how you felt about it. Well, in this cue card, general feelings can be asked from the students that what was the activity and how you get engaged in it. So it is important for students कि वो अलग-अलग answers prepare करें and also try to add creativity in your answers. Number 2. Describe something you taught to your friend or your relative. If you look at this cue card carefully, then you will find that this question is descriptive to answer. इसीलिए कुछ answers के लिए आपको detail oriented information देनी होगी. Some bullet points for this cue card are: what you taught him or her, when it was, how long it was for. For answering this question, आपको different words आने चाहिए ताकि आप अलग context में अपनी feelings express कर सकें and also you should have good vocabulary for answering these questions. Number 3. Discuss a cultural event or festival you have attended. Most common question that can be asked in January speaking test is to discuss a cultural event you have attended. The main points which you need to cover for these questions are: which event or festival it was, when and where did it take place, and what were the highlights of the event, how did you feel about the experience. इन पॉइंट्स में सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है टू डिस्क्राइब द हाइलाइट्स ऑफ द इवेंट एज वो टेस्ट करती हैं आपकी नॉलेज एंड हाउ इन डिटेल यू कैन स्पीक एंड व्हाट यू फेल्ट अबाउट द इवेंट इज द मेन एरिया टू टॉक अबाउट. Number 4. Describe an activity that made you feel tired. On number 4, we have to describe an activity that made you feel tired. So in this, you must cover some points like when and where it took place, why you took part in it, what was the activity, and explain why it made you feel tired. In this, the most hard part is to answer why you took part in it because you have to be logical with your answers. आपको आपके answers में ये बताना होगा कि how did you get stuck in the situation and आप tired क्यों feel कर रहे थे. So students, these were some of the important cue cards or questions which can be asked in your IELTS speaking test for January 2024. See you in the next video with more useful content.